So we first starting with the free body diagram. The y-axis, the x. And since the vector is in the second quadrant, we have it in here. This one is the angle we're looking for. And now the horizontal component of vector A, it's given by negative a sine of 34, since that's the degree that is given into the exercise. This is going to be 5.5 because that's the value of the vector, sine of 34, and that gives us an answer of minus 3.1, and this corresponds to x is x. And then the vertical component of vector A is given by the same thing, but it's going to be positive since it's in the positive axis. A cosine of 34. We replace values. And the answer will be 4.6. And this gives us the letter B as the result.